Well, good day everyone. Thanks for joining, and I hope you're well. I just want to have a bit of a brief chat today about which I think is quite an important topic if you are planning to build a fully enclosed simulator, or you've already built a fully enclosed simulator and you're having this problem, and maybe you've overcome that problem as well. And if you have, please leave your comments in the comment section below. It's the topic of ventilation. I think we all know that when you get a pretty powerful high-end PC, they generate some heat, and you know, they throw out that warm air as it's cooling your big graphics card and CPU. They throw out the warm air. And when you've got I guess a simulator or if your PC's in an enclosed area, over time that enclosed area starts to get warm, and it can get quite warm, compounded with, I guess, to a certain extent, where you live. You know, if you live in a warmer climate, then it compounds the issue as well. I live in Australia, so you can imagine for us in the summertime, you know, without air conditioning, it becomes a real problem. The other thing as well is, believe it or not, the TVs also throw out some heat. So if you can imagine, I guess, the combination of a PC, you know, very close to, or maybe tucked in behind, or, you know, within somewhere of your enclosed simulator, and you've got the TVs wrapped around as well, unless you've got some decent amount of ventilation, whether you're in a cooler climate or not, if it's a confined area, you're probably going to run into some temperature related warming issues, and it's going to get quite warm, and sometimes it can be quite uncomfortable. So have a real think about your ventilation, be that fan control and some fans coming down below, or you've got some way of letting air flow through the simulator that you're sitting in, so that you can disperse that air that's flowing through. And if stuff that's in the room, I guess, somehow getting rid of that as well, whether it's air conditioning or you've got the window open or whatever it is, you know, you get my point. It can get quite warm. So if you're boxing yourself in a simulator, just be mindful of your ventilation. Hopefully that was of some benefit to you. If it was, please leave that like, hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.